Guys, I even bought a new helmet, carbon fiber.
So we are going to install the PPF, which is the night skin PPF, and it's a 5-year warranty.
What's up, my YouTube family? Welcome to Fitness Food Biker. Thank you for so much love showing on my delivery vlog. And I'm sorry I couldn't show you the sound. Actually, I had a mic problem that was off. So without any delay, let's go and check how our Z900 sounds on the cold start. Key for happiness, Kawasaki. So let's go and start it. Yeah. You ready, guys?
This is exactly what I've been waiting for. This is exactly, I don't mean to sound like Cat Williams, but this is exactly what I've been waiting for.
This is loud, definitely. A dream sound for all boys. Listen to this sound like alien sound when we turn off. I love it. So my friends, I even completed PPF installation on my Z900. This is the post look actually. So I'm going to share all the process done at Dynamic Riders, and thanks to Dynamic Riders Varun and the Rajan who has helped me. So he will be explaining in this vlog what all the process is going to done, and enjoy some good cinematics. Hi guys, we are at Dynamic Riders showroom. So I'm doing my PPF today on my Z900 2023 edition. So there are a few changes in the panel segment. So Rajan from Dynamic Riders is going to explain.
Hi.
Hi Rajan.
Hi. So there's a Z900 2023 edition. So we are going to install the PPF, which is the night skin PPF, and it's a 5-year warranty.
Okay, so what is the, the toppest one? Is it?
Yeah, toppest one is 10H, but I guess nobody keeps the vehicle for 10 years. So generally we suggest, company gives us the 7-year warranty, we gives you the 5 years one.
Okay.
Okay, so that will be any yellowness comes in the PPF, so we will purely change total piece.
Okay, if something happens in 5 years, going to...
Yeah, we are going to replace the piece.
Awesome, awesome.
Okay, and as you can see, there's a matte finish part over here. Yeah. So we are not going to install the PPF on the matte finish part, because what happens is the powder coating kind of thing. If we install the PPF on this, due to heat, the gum stick to the paint.
Okay.
And then when we peeled off, then there's a might chance to come off the paint as well, actual paint also. So we are going to install the PPF on the tank and the back side flaring, and the front we can cover the visor and this part, the front flaring, headlight flaring. So this will be the thing.
Alright, so
This mat, yeah, it won't be covered. We can install it, but we don't want to.
It's a risk.
Yeah, it's a risk.
Okay. Alright, Rajan.
Okay.
So we'll be doing the process, and it will be
And,
done by end of the tomorrow.
And the process will be like, we will be doing the complete ceramic process first. Like we will be buffing and we will be rubbing also, it will be there. So whatever sole mark on the tank due to the wiping on the dry cloths, so that all the sole mark will come, will make it new, and then we'll install the PPF.
Right. Yeah.
And the original paint is going to be stay another 5 years as new as.
Guys, I even bought a new helmet, carbon fiber. Let's check it out. This is a surprise in the vlog. So let's open and see how it looks. Guys, this is our new carbon fiber helmet from Axor. Looks dope. How killer it looks, man. So good, so good. Look at this material. Carbon fiber, and above that the glossy finish came with the glitters painting. Wow, attention to the detail is so good, so good. I love it. Thank you Axor and Dynamic Riders, and if I'm not wrong, this is the first helmet for Hyderabad, and they opened in front of me and gave it to me, and I got it for 12,000, and I think MRP is like 15,000, but the offer is running right now. Oh, look at the detailings. This is a lightweight helmet. I think it weighs like 500 to 600 grams less than normal helmet. Look at this, how lightweight. I mean, when you hold it, of course you can see the notice. As soon as I think I made a budget to get like 6-7,000, but as soon as I saw this, I made the decision: take my money and give this beautiful helmet to me. Let's see the cinematics of